of the market. But furthermore, there is also the problem with greenwashing, because 25% of fast fashion brands use advertisement that emphasizes sustainability and eco-friendly materials, but 1/3 of those claims are each year found to be false, so they are actually greenwashing. And based on EU survey that was done last year in 2023 on consumers, they showed that consumers are really bad in recognizing greenwashing, because only 3% of all ads that ends up to be greenwashing are recognized by consumers. But at the same time, half of the Europeans say that they rather buy products that have some label on sustainability or that they are eco-friendly. Therefore, fast fashion industry is misleading